you line it against the plate, you then can
So you get it in the same spot.
every time. Yes.
That's smart. Okay, the video.
I was too busy talking.
Oh, you can see there was a little bit of the feather left.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay.
That
so
is
now we
beautiful.
can take this and we can do another color on top.
Okay.
So let's do. I love this stencil. These two are so
Another
cool.
just regular stencils?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can make your own stencils, like on a
Yes.
Cricut or anything.
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Or cut your own or whatever. Yes.
Or natural stuff.
Yes.
Natural. Yeah.
Yes. All right. So where's that thing? Where's my?
Right there.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna put second layer.
All right. So the fun part about this is all layering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make your own with the glue.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
Yeah. Parents would love that look, wouldn't they? From an elementary kid.
And then you have this.
You can still use it.
And then you still have this.
Yes. So you can do this. You could pick up Ghost right now and do this, or you can let this dry, which I'm going to do, and then go over it with more paint, a different color, and then you can pick this up.
Oh, cool.
So there are
Yes.
a lot of things you can do.
That's pretty neat.
Okay.
All right.
And-
So
and-
you want to do the image transfer?
Yeah, let's
Yes,
do
but
Let's do
we're
that.
gonna pick this up still,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So you wait about 2-3 minutes. 1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute. Okay.
It's too wet. You gotta
Oh,
wait.
these are the natural types of. Yeah. There are some natural textures here. We can use.
Packing material is always good. I love these. And burlap. Burlap is beautiful,
Burlap.
actually.
We should do one. All of these beautiful stencils.
Okay. What color should I? I'll do this color. How about
Yeah.
this color? Well, I'll do it over there.
And that's just a regular copy paper, right?
This is cardstock.
Is it cardstock?
It's a 110-pound cardstock from Staples, which is smooth. I love it because it's smooth and it's
It's not
sturdy.
gonna bend.
Right, exactly.
Right. With the water or yeah.
I got both.
And there we go. And that's the ghost. Beautiful.
All right,